Hi everybody, this is Barb. I'm going to try to show you how we can do attendance and focus. I know some of you may have already talked to Z, but I'm going to do another version. Okay, first thing is I need to go to my gradebook and I need to go to categories and assignments. You need to add an attendance category. You can see I have quite a few here. It's got to be 0%, and just make sure you have that for all of your classes. It's the same way we do demerits. Okay, I'm going to go back to my gradebook. Give it a second here. I am going to add a test. It's not really a test, it's just something to use for attendance. It does take a moment to come up. Okay, so this is a clean slate. Middle of the page is where the test will be built. The right hand is sort of how you schedule and assign it, and the left is the questions. Some of you will have more stuff here than I do. I'm going to click the little arrow next to non-standard. You're going to see questions that I've been working on. You're going to see my attendance questions like 4 times because I've done this 4 times. So just to start you from scratch, I'm going to add a question. So I'll have more. My question pops up a little box. I am present today. And I can't type. That's the worst part about this whole thing, is I type terrible. Okay, check it. Once we're done adding this question, we won't be able to change it. There's no editing. My question type is simple, true, false. True is the correct answer. So this is going to be called FERGS, attendance. Spell it correctly today. This is the 4th one I've made because this is the 4th attempt at my video. All right, question is good, answer is good, label is good. I'm going to add it. Now, down here in my list of questions, you can see all my FERGS attendance. My current one goes here. Now, if I was going to do this tomorrow, I would not redo this question. I would simply come down here and click FERGS attendance, add it to the test, and you'll get a fresh test. So you don't have to make a question every day. Don't have 4 of them. Just add it here. Okay, so what is my option? So this is going to be April 9 attendance for physics. I'm going to put physics on it because a lot of you are going to start doing this and kids might get confused. So let's go to April. Let's go to April. Let's go to 9. Let's go to 9. I'm going to make this 1:39 a.m. just because it's convenient in my window. I did hear from somebody to make them all different times. I'm going to make this the 11:59. That one we're going to keep. So again, as long as it's first thing in the morning, 0 points, and then your assignment category. If you don't have attendance already showing, make sure it's going to attendance or the 0 is going into your other categories. That's pretty much it until I come down here and I hit check all. I would like this to go to all my classes. The only other things I will check are open to students online, auto grade, and I like it to open in a new window. Do not use the security browser. It pops up something that they have to download and they might not be able to. So I'm going to slide up here again. Options. You can see what this looks like online. So there's a PDF and HTML, but I'm going to go online, and it's going to give me a, this is what it's going to look to the kids. It's going to say click here. They'll have an answer. They'll go to next, and they have to go to one more screen to hit submit. All right, so I'm checking it. I just added my one question. Again, if it was tomorrow, I would simply just come over here and click FERGS attendance and say add to test, and it would look just like this. And now I've set up the times and the dates. Everybody's going to get it. And at the top right, we're going to hit publish. I'm going to say OK. And it's going to go right to my gradebook. I happen to be working in period 6, and I've been doing lots of attendance for this video. So there's lots here. So here is April 9th's attendance. I can go in here to the info in case I screwed up the time. I can fix it. The points are 0. Anything except the actual question. You can print the test, and it'll give you a preview of your questions as well. So that looks good. I think there's one where I made a PM in the morning instead of an AM, so I might have to fix that. Let's see, I think it was April 8th. Nope, that one looks good. Okay, so what does it look like when they do this? So they are March 30th is this column, and when they take the test, they get a 0. And it doesn't affect their grade because it's not worth anything, but these boxes mean they didn't do it. Here, everybody in 6th period except Tommy. So far today, this is March 31st. So tomorrow, when I open this up, I just go to my gradebook. I don't have to go into Teams, bonus, And I don't have to go into forms, I just go to focus and I see what the grade is on the attendance, and I can go right to my attendance screen and put it in. All right, I hope this helps. Good luck everybody, hang in there.